Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Dunelm. So let me take you to the website, which is dunelm.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Dunelm is one of the UK's largest home furnishing and homeware retailers, offering furniture, bedding, curtains, rugs, lighting, kitchenware, decor products, and made-to-measure home solutions. The company operates both online and through hundreds of retail stores across the United Kingdom, making it a strong affiliate opportunity in the home decor and furniture niche. So what are you waiting for? You can come to the website, explore all about them, all the amazing products, and buy anything if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money from Tanelm. How do we do that? We simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we end up getting commission. There are a few things to keep in our mind though. It's targeted toward UK audience and UK shipping, so you'll only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from UK. Affiliates from different countries may join their affiliate program. That's not an issue. You can try to apply their affiliate program and try to get the approval from them. And once you have received the approval, you can start promoting them. So let's talk more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called partnerize.com. Now, what is Partnerize and what does that have to do with Tanalm? So Partnerize is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Tanalm, you must join Partnerize as an affiliate. So how do you join Partnerize as an affiliate? Simply hover over customer and from here click on affiliates, which will take you to this page. Over here you can click on join Partnerize. That will take you through the registration process. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partnerize affiliate account. You'll find the links in the video description. Simply click on the links, follow the instructions from those videos and get yourself a free Partnerize affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time click on login, and once on the login page, enter your username, password, and complete the captcha. Followed by that, click on login. It will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now this is a place where you would be able to find the affiliate program of different brands as well, but we're gonna keep the focus of the video on Dunelm only. So how do you find the affiliate program of Dunelm? For that, you can click on campaigns, which will take you to this page, or where you can click on join campaigns, which will take you to this page. Once here, you can start typing Dunelm over the search bar, and once you have typed in, you will be able to see their details in here. Simply click on their name and it will take you to their affiliate program page on Partnerize dashboard. If you look at the left hand side, you'll be able to see affiliate email address. In case if you have any question, feel free to reach out to the given email address. Then you have other details available, program description and other details too. If you look at the right hand side, you also got more details. You can click on the noun hyperlink from here to even get more details, like how much would be the commission rate. So you're gonna get 2% commission on the sale amount. That's good. And if you look at the right hand side again, you'll have more details, including terms and condition. So click on it, read it as well so that you understand. Now you go back by clicking on your campaigns from the left hand side. Once here, if you are fine, you want to apply to the affiliate program, simply tick mark beside the name and then tick mark here as well. It's my account name. So you will see your account name agrees to the terms and condition of the Dunelm affiliate program. So once you have tick marked this, just click on join selected campaigns. What it will do, it will send you application to the Dunelm affiliate program team. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. They could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So you can wait for them, and once you get the approval, how would you know? You'll be notified by an email. So once you've received the email, you can log into Partnerize affiliate dashboard once again. This time, come to campaigns, but look at your campaigns and commission. You'll be able to see them listed in here. You got the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create your tracking link? For that, simply click on tracking. It will take you to this page. Over here within search for Dunelm, and on the right hand side, once you've searched for Dunelm, you can enter the website URL or any web page URL of Dunelm in here, and it will generate a tracking link for you. Since I'm yet to receive approval from Dunelm, that's why I'm not able to search here. But in case you have received the approval, you'll be able to search and create your tracking link through this right side widget. You can also click on content. It will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to find the available creatives of the Nelm. You don't have to create your tracking link directly. You can choose any of the available links directly from here. It could be banner links, it could be text link. As you can see, HTML, image, text, email, feed, lead. So these are different kind of links that will be available here. You'll be able to take the link code directly from here and integrate it from the backend of your website. That's up to you. So you learn how to apply to them, you get the approval, and then you also learn how to create or get your tracking link. But then how do you promote the Nelm? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by the Nelm, you can promote them anywhere on your website that you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. You also got blog. Blog could be amazing here. Maybe you can create blog posts on topics like home decor ideas, furniture reviews, bedroom makeover content, and put the tracking link of the noun on your blog post. So this when people would read. If they like it, they click on it, they buy it, you get a commission. Social media could be great here as well, depending on your social media channels. It could do best for you. Let's say if you choose Pinterest, then you might want to have decor inspiration pins there and put your tracking link somewhere within the content or directly integrated with the pins. So this way people like it, they click, they get on the Nelm website, they purchase, you get a commission. If you choose Instagram, you might want to create home styling reels and put your tracking link in the description. If you rather go with TikTok, you might want to have TikTok room makeovers reels. So this way people again would watch reels. If they like, they click, they buy, you get commission. Then you also got home decor website. As an affiliate, if you have such a website available that got approved, you might want to promote the Nelm on that kind of website too. It could lead to better conversion. Apart from it, you also got interior design blog. In case if you have it, that could be an asset too. Then you also got furniture review website as well. So you might want to basically put the review of different furniture, mainly from the Nelm, and put your tracking link this way too. But here's one problem all the affiliates face, even though they know how to promote different brands, but getting the traffic is always a challenge. So I got some top 3 traffic sources for the Nelm or the products by the Nelm. So one of the way is Pinterest. As we were discussing about having pins on Pinterest, so you might want to have home decor inspiration or do-it-yourself room ideas pins there and put either your website or directly your link. It could lead to a better traffic, of course. YouTube could be great here as well. You might want to create home makeover videos and furniture review videos and either again put your online presence or your tracking link with the description. So this way you're basically bringing traffic to your own online presence and as well as towards your tracking link. Then comes blog or rather SEO blogs. What do I mean by that? Let's say you decided to go with the blog and sure you're keeping blog SEO friendly. So whenever you're creating that blog post, keep it super SEO friendly and you might want to focus on the keywords like best affordable home decor, UK furniture stores like this. It could bring more generic or organic traffic, which could lead to better conversion for you. Alright, so let's say you started bringing sales to the Nelm. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Partner as Affiliate dashboard once again. This time, click on Analytics. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can select the data source, like you want to see conversion, clicks, conversions, clicks, or impression. Then select how you want to view the data, customize the table, and then run it. Over here, you'll be able to see a report. And if you want to see the transaction level data, simply click on Transaction Report. It will take you to transaction report, use different date ranges, and you'll be able to see transaction. Voila. And if you want to see your payments related details, simply click on payments. It will take you to this section. Over here, you will be able to see pending, approved, awaiting payment from advertiser. Advertiser means brands. So of course, the noun in this case here, available to withdraw that you can initiate to withdraw as well. but you have to ensure you update your payment method. And to update your payment method, you click on payment settings. It will take you to this section. Over here, simply click on add bank account, and then it will open up this overlay window. It will also send a verification code to your given email address. Take the code, enter it here. Once you have successfully verified the code, it will ask you to enter the details. Start with payment details, then to bank details. So you start with the track currency, what kind of currency you want this to be tracked in. I would want to go with USD. You can select your own track currency as well that you prefer, and also go with the paid currency. Again, I'm going to choose USD. You may say, why am I choosing USD? It's because I want to get PayPal as my payment option. Depending on your track currency, paid currency, and the country of residence, the payment method would differ. Either it's electronic funds transfer or PayPal. So that's why I have chosen USD in here. In country as well, I'm gonna go with India because that's the residence country for me. In your case as well, you can choose the country of your residence and then payment method. So depending on what you have chosen in these three options, you may get either electronic fund transfer as an option or PayPal. If you go with PayPal, you can give your PayPal email address, and if you go with electronic fund transfer, you have to give your banking details. Just for the demo, let's just go with electronic fund transfer. You can also set to receive this commission manually or set a sell bill, or rather auto sell bill. So how do you do that? If you want to set it on auto, just click on, and you can decide a threshold. So you can say monthly payment date. If you want to get it on the first of every month, just put first. But if you want to get it after its threshold has been reached, so you can select once threshold met, let's say 100 USD, then you get commission. So you can set like this. It's totally up to you. If you keep it off, you can withdraw it by going to the payment section that we were talking about. Once you have selected the details in here, simply click on continue, and it will ask you to give the details accordingly. If you've selected electronic funds transfer, it will ask you for banking details like this, and if you've selected PayPal, it will ask you to give your PayPal email address. Once you have added the details, simply click on save, and that's it. Your payment details have been set, and you can expect to receive commission accordingly. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Dunelm. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Dunelm. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are premium resources as well as free resources. You can look at the description. I made a video description. Get any resources that you prefer. In the meantime, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know and I'll try my best to create a video on that. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching.